this is an unboxing, I guess, video of the new limited edition Victorinox 2020 Cadet. The box is darker than, well, they've been in the past couple of years. They've been a light gray in the last couple of years. So this is the knife. We got our normal disclaimer, that's in English. Yep, so limited edition. This is 6-year, we're launching it. We got the 58, the Classic, the Cadet Pioneer, and Aqua Blue scales. Then anodize and yep, how you anodize, which is lots of craziness. The normal instructions on here. This is obviously the Cadet. This obviously also didn't want to come out. So I'm not really going to go through the features of the Cadet. Well, I can, but got the 2020 on this side. So it was more a case of trying to compare the color. This is, blues are really hard to shoot. So just trying to get a comparison. This is a darker blue. This is from a DLT Pioneer. So it's a much lighter blue than that. We have the 2015. Hey, 2015 had foam insert. So it's a much lighter blue than that, even. And this is one of the 2013 Cadet 5 colors. So it's somewhere this winds up in this range. Well, that's pretty close to DLT blue. So yeah, so there you can see it in there. I brought out a espresso, but it's obviously not even close to the teal of the Nespresso. So there's no, you can sit right there. So yeah, this is the 2015. It is much darker than the new 2020, but it's still, the 2020 is still lighter than the normal blue. So somewhere in that neighborhood. All the pictures I see show different brightnesses type thing. So I guess it's all on how the picture's lit, because that blue will show up really blue or it'll look much darker. So.